Good morning students. Welcome to Science Virtual Classes, and today we have continued our chapter 10 Air. In this chapter we have studied the role of the nitrogen, the atmosphere, balance between maintain the balance of nature and importance of air. Now today our topic is air pollution. Let us see how we can find out the whether the air that we breathe is pure or not. Observing the purity of the air. Here the dust particles present in air. You have seen the roadside plants and their leaves are dark in color because the vehicle smoke is added on the leaves and they have form a layer of the dust. Dust particles present in air. Here in this activity, allow a very thin ray of light to enter a dark room. Dust particles present in air will be visible to us in the beam of light. You have also seen in this activity. Dust particles present in air. While waiting at a busy road crossing, you sometimes may get irritations in the eye and throat. The smoke coming from the vehicles containing harmful gases, these get mixed with air and cause irritations. All these observations show that air we breathe is not always pure. It contains impurities like dust and soot. It can also have germs in it. It can also contain the harmful gases like carbon monoxide, oxide of nitrogen and sulfur. The air having the such impurities is called polluted air. Pollutant. What are pollutant? We can say that the air having the impurities. Which type of the impurities? Impurities like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide. These are the pollutant and these are the impurities. So pollutant are the impurities are called pollutant. Pollutant are basically form of the air pollutant, and pollutant like carbon monoxide, ozone, oxide of nitrogen and sulfur are the gaseous pollutant. And pollutant like the smoke, dust, germs which are present in air as particles form, these are the solid pollutant. Means pollutant are two types. One is gaseous pollutant and second one is solid pollutant. Here outdoor air pollution. One is smoke. Smoke is a type of the large scale outdoor pollution. It is caused by the chemical reaction between the pollutant derived from the different sources. Smoke means smoke plus fog. So it is the outdoor air pollution. The main sources of air pollution are: many industries discharge the carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, ozone, hydrogen sulfide and the sulfur dioxide. Industries also discharge their waste from the high chimneys at the high temperature and the high speed. These are the sources of air pollution. We have said that air pollution is two types. One is outdoor and another is indoor. You have seen on the screen there are some indoor air pollution, and heat is also the gaseous pollutant because many harmful gases are released from this indoor air pollution. So we can say that what is air pollution? Air pollution consists of gases, liquid or solids present in atmosphere in high enough level to harm human, other organisms or materials. It is called the air pollution. You have revised this topic, air pollution, and tomorrow we will continue the same topic. Thank you so much.